Hey guys, Jade Alpine Companies up here in mountains doing a retaining wall. Just got a frozen driveway, keeps flooding this garage. And the water is not coming over the top of the wall. It's coming down, hitting the wall, permeating through. Because you can see the top of this wall is dry. But you can see how wet all this is. Look at this flow of water. That's just a constant flow coming right through the wall. Just a river. I get farther along in this project, I'll take some additional videos, start to finish. You can follow this project on my website, www.alpinecompanies.com. Click on my YouTube link. You can watch over 2,000 videos on my other projects. Thanks for watching, Jade Alpine. I'm going to be removing and replacing this retaining wall.